Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei MatePad 11.5, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. Now to get started, all you need to do is swipe down to view your toggles. Now you want to do it from the right side, and then swipe down on this panel right here to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those should be a power saving mode. Let's see if we can find it, assuming it's added by default. Actually looks like it's not added by default. So I'm gonna click right here on this box, and then want to select edit switches, and we can see our power saving mode right here. So you want to grab it. As you can see, it will lift up and you can drag it to the top, drop it, select done, and you have access to it now in the panel. From here, simply tap on it. It gives you a message, power saver, save power by disabling features such as auto sync. That is the most vague description, but let's select enable. And you can see it adds this little leaf in your battery, just so you are aware that it is right now running. Now, going to that quick message, even though it's absolutely like uninformative, I can just kind of guess what it does based on part of it. So a couple things. High refresh rate is usually turned off, brightness is going to be reduced, and auto sync refers to basically internet connection. So Wi-Fi on mobile data will be disconnected from the device, and obviously it's done to preserve battery life, but because of it you won't be receiving any kind of updates or notifications from applications that require internet connection. That'd be, for instance, mail fetching, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. So to get new notifications from these applications, you would need to open up said application. Now anyway, once you're done with the power saver, you can find the toggle, tap on it once more, and this will revert all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.